Hey guys, welcome to this little random late night vlog. So Nov's come over, Nate's somewhere here as well, and Nov is super happy because he's just received a package from eBay. So let's go see what he bought. Hey Nov.
Yep.
Are you happy? Are you cheery? What on earth is this big box here?
It's a mystery box.
It's a mystery box. Guys, what did Nov buy? Does anybody know? Oh, look who it is. It's Nate.
New rules have come in for Nov. The new rules have arrived from eBay.
Da, da, da. Oh god, it's here. We are unpacking this. Nov, are you going to tell us what you got, or we're going to leave it as a surprise?
I'm just gonna show it to you.
You're just going to show it?
Sure.
Alright. It's Christmas in August. Nov's about to open his new wheels. Let's do it, Nov.
Scalpel.
Scallop. Did you say scallop? Is it like a scallop or a prawn?
Scalpel.
Scalpel. Oh, here we go.
The pen is mightier than the sword.
Sure.
But, yeah.
I'll edit that out. Nah, I'll leave it in and just bag you.
Come on.
Let me get your knife.
Well, how you can have your pen back?
The pen's dead. Did you use a pen? Did you actually use a pen, dude?
Bastard, you killed my pen.
Nov is literally threatening you, dude, now. He's like, do you like this pen? He's going to ruin it all. He's literally going to ruin all your pens.
It's my favourite pen as well.
You have a favourite pen? Who's got a favourite pen?
Read really nice.
That's the geekiest thing you've ever said.
You can buy a box of 50 of those.
Exactly.
Like $6.
At like the $2 shop. Alright, here we go. Let's do it.
Da, da, da.
Oh, it's a
Whoa. Damn. Jeez.
Oh, if that was a dish from that.
What the hell is
outside,
this?
it looks sick.
What?
What the hell is this?
What do you mean, what is this?
This is the wrong thing.
No, you have to turn around, bro.
Oh fuck.
You idiot.
Oh shit.
That is gonna look good.
Hello, Weld.
How many did you buy? Oh, this is just the one. We did buy another one, right?
Yeah, there's two.
There is two.
Chill, this.
Nate, what do you think?
Very fancy.
Very
industrial looking.
Have you seen what these actually look like on a
it's for
Supra?
A very big forklift.
A big... Tough. Like, it looks tough. What does that say?
No fucking around, that's what it says.
Well, let's see if we're going to focus on it. Hey, Nov, can you give us like a few words about these wheels?
Yeah. Rest in peace, 11 seconds, that's all I can say.
What, we're going into 10s?
I'll fucking go into 9s.
We're going to fly into 9s?
I think I would have liked them better if they were the other way around.
Yeah?
Like if this was the front. Show us the back. The back is what should be the front. You should mount them the wrong way around. Now that's a nice dish.
That's a good dish.
That's
it's a good kitchen dish.
Man. Dude, it'll look insane. Just mount it like that.
It's about 8 inches worth of dish.
Yeah, man.
Hey, Nov, what are they called? Like, give us some details.
So they're called AlumaStar.
AlumaStar?
AlumaStar.
Cool. And how big are they?
They're tiny, as you can see, compared
Sure.
to me.
What is that? Is that a 16?
They're small.
That is so cool.
They're 15s.
Is that a 15?
Yep.
Oh wow, looks big when you see it in.
Wait till we see it on the car.
Yeah.
With the big ass fucking tyre.
With the big tyres, it looks ridiculous. Have you not seen a photo? Show us, Nov. Oh, that looks tough.
Are you gonna get the big MT fucking?
That actually looks insane.
I want to get like the multi-hex fucking head
It's a
ones.
very industrial looking bolt. Like
They
looks
are,
like they
they-
just got it from Bunnies.
Bad.
The worst part
From
is
Bunny.
that these are probably like a...
Strong one, you know.
Nah, they are high tensile. But they're probably imperial in sizing, so...
But it's this, man. It's where it mounts, and then there's no space here. So
There
if your
is.
caliper is fat,
No, what usually happens is your disc is like that fat. So the disc ends up there, so the caliper is basically here.
that it just depends on the car, I guess.
But that's how the back ones are on the Supra now.
That's it for today's video, you guys. It was super quick. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and if you did like the video, as usual, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so we know which videos you like, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll definitely see you in the next vlog. Bye.